My name is Kiran, and this is the final project presentation for the deep learning course. The topic of my project is adversarial neural cryptography. The problem of interest that we are trying to solve is to determine if two neural networks can learn to perform cryptographic operations in the presence of a third neural network. With the advent of big data and machine learning, data privacy has become a very important issue. The software and technology used is Python, Anaconda, Jupyter, and TensorFlow packages. The basic framework of the problem we are trying to solve is shown in this schematic figure here. Here, Alice and Bob are two neural networks who are trying to communicate with each other. Eve is an adversarial neural network who is trying to eavesdrop on their communication and trying to infer data that is transmitted between Alice and Bob. The neural network architecture that we use is of type mix and transform. It has a fully connected first layer followed by 4 convolutional layers, and the code sample for that is shown here. We did some preliminary experiments, and these experiments took a long time to run. You can see these preliminary results from the running of the program here. This is the training period where both Bob and Eve are trying to reconstruct the data that Alice is transmitting. And it can be seen that Bob is able to reconstruct the data with zero error, whereas Eve, which is the adversarial network, is not able to reconstruct the data even after long periods of training. This is exactly the result that we intend to achieve. So the architecture does indeed produce the desired results. This also can be seen in the plots that are shown here. And this concludes the presentation.